A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 5 of chapter 8 application of integrals. So class, in previous lecture 4 or 3 I have discussed exercise 8.1, 8.2 questions NCERT. So now today class I will discuss chapter 8 miscellaneous. So let us start with the questions of miscellaneous chapter 8. Now question number 1 is, find the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to x square, x axis, and x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. There are 4 equations are given: y is equal to x square, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x axis. So we have to find out the area bounded by region. First of all, we have to draw the graph. So see the solution. The given equation of curves, or you can say curve. First is y is equal to x square. What is y is equal to x square? In bracket you will see this is standard equation of upward parabola or equation of upward parabola open in positive y axis passing through origin and symmetric about y axis. Now this is the terminologies of y is equal to x square. Second equation is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Equation of lines parallel to y axis, parallel to x axis, parallel to y axis. Y axis and passing through (1, 0) and 2, 0 respectively. Now you know (2, 0), here I am writing 2, 0 respectively. Now third is x axis. This is x axis. What is x axis? This is the equation of line, x axis, that is y is equal to 0, or you can write small y is equal to 0. Now this is the all terminologies of all equations. Now we are going to draw the graph. See, this is x axis, y axis, origin, negative x axis, positive x axis. Now see, y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square means this is the standard equation of upward parabola open in the positive direction of y axis. This is the standard equation of upward parabola. This is a y is equal to x square, given equation of curve. Now x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is the line parallel to y axis. Suppose this is the point P. At this point P, you will draw a line parallel to y axis and you will get x is equal to 1, because x is equal to 1 is the line parallel to y axis. Now suppose we have indicate by arrow sign, and now Q be the points, and when you will draw perpendicular to x axis or parallel to y axis, this is also parallel, its equation is x is equal to 2. We have to find out the area of the region bounded by curve. This is the curve, x is equal to 1 is the line, x is equal to 2 is this line, and x axis is this. So area bounded by region this will be the region where we have to calculate the area. Now you will consider any elementary strip parallel to y axis to calculate the area. Suppose this is the elementary strip of thickness dx. Its thickness is dx and the length suppose y. Now area of the strips, this will be y dx. Now see, area of shaded region, we can say area of strips, and this strip is vary from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2. You can take from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 2 strip. So this one from 1 to 2 y dx. So now y is equal to, you know, this is x square. So integration over 1 to 2 x square dx, and after integration its result will be x cube by 3 with upper limit and lower limit. This is x cube. Now when you will put upper limit, you will get the result two cube by 3 and minus 1 by 3, and the result is 8 minus 1 by 3, that is 7 by 3 square units. This is the area. Now this is the answer. Now question number 1 is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is Find the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. So we have drawn this curve y is equal to x square in previous question, you know. So solution: given equation of curve, that is y is equal to x square, equation of upward parabola open in positive y axis and passing through origin. Now second is y is equal to x, equation of line passing through origin and making an angle of 45 degree with a positive x axis. Now see, this is the axis we have drawn. X axis, y axis, and you know this is the upward parabola. So parabola will be like this. This is the equation of upward parabola, and y is equal to x. This is y is equal to x square, and y is equal to x is the line passing through origin or making equal intercept on positive x axis. So this is the line. Both curve y is equal to x square and y is equal to x intersect the same common point, that is origin. Means origin is a point. Suppose this is O, this is origin, and now we have to find out the area bounded by this and this curve. So this is the line and this is the curve. Now area, we have to calculate this area. To calculate this shaded region, first of all we have to find out this is the intersection point, suppose P. We have to find out P. Now see, suppose we are going to draw perpendicular from this point P. This is the line perpendicular, consider PM, and this will be parallel to y axis, you know. Now how you can calculate their area? This is O intersection point. Area, suppose this is point R, lies on the curve. Area of shaded part can be written as area of triangle minus area of ORPMO, right? Now come to the next line. from figure, area of shaded region is equal to, we can write area of triangle minus area of OMPRO. OMPRO. Now, area of triangle, and you know, first of all we have to find out this point P, intersection. Now how you will calculate? Suppose this is the curve y is equal to x square and this is the curve y is equal to x. So x square will be equal to x. This implies x in bracket x minus will be equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So here is the point x is equal to 1 and y will be also 1. 1 comma 1 is the coordinates. Now when you will consider strip perpendicular to x axis or parallel to y axis, consider this is the y, length of strip. So area of triangle, strip is vary inside the triangle from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. So now integration over 0 to 1, we have to integrate y is equal to x line, y is equal to x. So y in bracket you can write, this is the line dx minus 0 to 1 curve dx. Curve dx means or 0 to 1 y means x dx minus 0 to 1, this is y is equal to x square dx. Now limit is same, so you can integrate easily. Suppose I am going to writing here, now x integration will be x square by 2 minus x square integration will be x cube by 3, curly bracket square bracket close from 0 to 1. Now when you will put upper limit, you will get result 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus lower limit 0, and its answer 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, result is 1 by 6 square units. This is the answer. This is the answer. Now see, now question number 2 is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 7. Question number 3, 4, 5 are same. So now I will come to the question number 7. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve 4y is equal to 3x square and the line 2y is equal to 3x plus 2. Now see, there are two curves are given, that is 4y is equal to 3x square. This implies we can write y is equal to 3 by 4 x square, format of y is equal to x square upward parabola, means equation of upward parabola opening positive y axis and passing through origin, passing through origin. And second equation, 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. In terms of y-intercept, so we can write y is equal to mx plus c format. Result will be y is equal to 3 by 2x plus 6, because 12 by 2 result is 6. Now this is mx plus c format. C is positive, so y-intercept will be positive. And you have to consider, or you have to calculate x-intercept for this line. So when you will equate y is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to, at this point, result is minus 4. So this is the x-intercept. The curve will intersect or cut the x-axis at a point minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. We have written y-intercept format, or you can also write this equation in intercept form. X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1 format also you can write. So in the form of x upon a plus y upon b format, when you will write, result you will get 3x or minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, and the calculation will be minus x upon minus 4 plus y upon 6 is equal to 1. So x intercept is minus 1 and the y intercept is 6. See. So through this equation we can write equation of line which cuts x-axis at a point minus 4 and y-axis at a point 6. And the y-axis at a 0, 6. Now see, I am going to draw the graph figure. This is x and y axis, and parabola. This is upward parabola. This is upward parabola, and this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is origin, and any other line. Minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 means x intercept is minus 4, 0. Suppose this is point minus 4, minus 4, and this intercept is suppose 6. So minus 4 and 6. This is the point. And draw the graph. So you will draw this line that passing through minus 4 comma 0, and this is the point 0, 6. This is the point P considered minus 4, 0, and this is the point 0, 6. Now this line intersect the curve y is equal to 3 by 4 x square. At this point consider, this is the point, consider M. What will be M coordinates after solving this line? So when you will solve this both line or both equation, what you will get the result? You will get this intersection point after solving this line and curve. You will get x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, not 3. 4 4 is 16, by 4 results 4, 4 3 is 12, and at the place of x you will put 4, so 4 3 is 12 plus 12 24, by 2 result 12. So m coordinates will be 4 comma 12. 4 comma this is 12. So m coordinate is here. Now there are two intersection point of x. Suppose this is point n. So n coordinates will be, there are two possible values of x. So n coordinates you will see, or after solving both curve, you will get n coordinates will be minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3. This is the intersection of line and curve. Now we are going to draw perpendicular. P point is this and its coordinate is minus 4 comma 0. Now draw the perpendicular from point N and M. This is perpendicular. Suppose this is point R and S. We have to find out the area bounded by the region, curve and the line. So we have to calculate this area. Now this area is vary from R to S on x-axis. R coordinates, abscissa value at R, result is x is equal to minus 2, and abscissa value at S, so x is equal to 4. Means you can consider strips from x is equal to minus 2 to x is equal to 4 for this line. Now consider strip thickness dx of length y. Now see, area we can write area of shaded region, we can write, or area of RSMN, RSMNR minus area of RNO, RNOMS, RNOMS, next R. Now area of SMNR, RSMNR, result we can write integration over from minus 2 to 4, minus 2 to 4, y means line, dx, minus 2 to 4, y means curve, dx. Now result, its result will be integration over from minus 2 to 4, y, the line equation y value is 3x plus 12 by 2, dx minus 2 to 4, curve y is equal to 3 by 4 x square dx. Now we have to integrate. This is the formula. Now you can integrate easily. See, area of side addition, its integration is 3 by 2, x integration is x square by 2. So 3 by 2 x square by 2. Now this is 12 by 2 1 dx, so 12 by 2 1 dx result is x. With negative sign, its integration is x cube by 3. So 3 by 4 x cube by 3 with upper and lower limit minus 2 to 4, because this is common. So this calculation will be 3x square by 4 plus 6x minus x cube by 4 minus 2 to 4. Now see, now this calculation, when you will put 4 upper limit, so 3 into 16 by 4 result is 3 into 4 result is 12. Now plus 4 into 6 24 minus 64 by 4 result is 16. Now put lower limit, minus 2 means 3 by 4 into 4 result is 3, and this is minus 12, and this is minus 8 means plus 8 by 4 result is 2. Now 24, 36, 20, 16. 36 minus 16 result will be 20, and minus this result will be 5 minus 12 minus 7, so plus 7 here. Result will be 27 square units. Answer is 27 square unit. Now this is the answer. Now question number 7 is completed. See, now this is completed.